Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Lynn again, your Monday accent coach. If you haven't subscribed yet, please smash the red button and also the bell so you won't miss anything whenever I upload a new lesson. Last week we talked about the light L sound. So when we're making the light L sound, a tip of your tongue presses at the back of your front teeth. Then release it quickly. And if you haven't watched yet, please click on here. So today our topic is all about the dark L sound. So how to make the dark L sound? The L sound becomes dark when it comes before a vowel or in a consonant. Actually, a native speaker pulls back the sound from the root of the tongue or the back of the tongue towards the throat. Okay, so like this. Oh, oh, oh. It's pretty different from the light L sound because you're just releasing the sound from here and your lips are pretty relaxed. There's no tension at all. Oh, 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 lo, 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 let's. But if you are talking about the dark L sound, the placement, it should be here and there's a little bit tension, all right? Oh, oh. Try these words. Repeat after me. Deal, deal. It's not deal, deal, deal. That is a light L sound, but it's deal, deal. Okay, I'm pulling my tongue towards my throat. Deal. It's a big deal. It's a big deal. Real, real. It's not real, real. That is a light L sound, but it is real, real. Okay? Is it real? Is it real? All right. Tool, tool. A great tool to improve your accent is listen and repeat several times, then match exactly what you hear. All right. Next one is able, able, able. Oh, oh, oh. I won't be able here tomorrow. I won't be able here tomorrow. Capable, capable. Is she capable or not? Is she capable or not? Another example is people, people. It's not people, people. That is a light L sound. We're not releasing from here, but we're releasing here. The sound is coming from the root of your tongue towards your throat. People, oh, oh, oh. There were many people at the party last night. There were many people at the party last night. Apple, apple. It's not apple, apple, but it's apple. Oh, 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 oh. A red apple, a red apple. The second tip I'm giving you guys is try any hard stick, or this is a popsicle stick. Okay, so I will put inside my mouth, on my tongue, then we will try to make the dark L sound. Okay, this will be helpful. It's a good exercise to practice to make a dark L sound. Let's try it. Oh, 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 oh. It's really, I'm just like pulling my tongue towards my throat. Let's try it one more time. Oh, 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 oh. Can you hear it? It's pretty different when you say la, 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 la. Oh, 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 oh. Actually, guys, the tip of your tongue, it's end up at the back of your front teeth. But you're releasing the sound from here, okay? Oh, 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 oh. Okay, so try some of these words. Repeat and try to make a short video with these words, guys. Horrible, horrible. Towel, towel. Fuel, fuel. Possible, possible. Wallen, wallen. Stool, stool. owl, owl. Fold, fold. Shoulder, shoulder. Alright guys, so that's it for now. Try some of these words and I look forward to seeing your task. I hope you enjoy it, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share to your friends or your colleagues. I would really appreciate it. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the group. Bye for now.